The Sunlight integration is your leg up in a competitive selling market to help you save time, accelerate your sales process, and deliver an exceptional customer experience. Let's check it out. Your integrated finance options are found in the control zone of OpenSolar under the pricing and payments dropdown and payment options. If you have any updates such as new products, you can click the refresh button and this will pull over the latest into your account. You'll get a list view here of all of your loan options, as well as the ability to see which ones are auto-applied or set by default to any projects. The priority number here will be the specific order in which an auto-applied loan will appear on the proposal. You can make any edits to set the auto-apply or priority by clicking the edit button here on the right side. The auto-apply toggle is here at the top, as well as a note about whether or not this is a state-specific loan option. You'll see your interest rate, loan term, and prepayment method, whether that's solar style or mortgage style. And then importantly for Sunlight, you do have to come down to the dealer fee section, manually hit this toggle and set your dealer fee. You have to do this the first time the connection is made with the Sunlight integration, and again when any new pricing updates happen to your products. So really important to come down and set all your dealer fees from the get-go. Moving along, you can set a down payment per loan option. You can also do that by specific project and your supplementary terms and conditions, as well as the priority number here for any default loan. This will set that order. There are a couple other things to note about the Sunlight integration. So I'm going to move over to the other dropdown and the integration API keys for this. We've made the integration run a little bit faster and smoother by automatically creating projects within the Orange portal for you and automatically transferring your contract and notice to proceed as well to Sunlight. These will be on by default, but if you'd like to come back and toggle these off, you can do this in this section by moving the toggle to the right. Next, we're going to go into a project and see how you can apply these payment options to your designs. We've now navigated to the design section, and this is where I can set my payment options. Coming over to the design toolbar, I will first want to set my pricing. After my pricing is set, I will click payment options and I can see my defaults here listed at the top. If I wish to add anything additional or subtract any of these payment options, I can click this override default option and toggle on my selections. I will also see the applied dealer fee discount toggle at the bottom here. By clicking this, I will make sure that all my Sunlight products are calculating the correct dealer fees. This does need to be toggled on here under the override default section or in pricing as well. Moving back to payment options, I can click this customize price by system and payment option to see a breakdown of my pricing. From here, I can also add any loans by clicking the checkbox, deselecting by clicking the checkbox, or adding anything additional from the Enable Payment Options button at the bottom. I can see my standard system pricing, which is all of my loan options grossed up to the highest amount before dealer fee calculations, and my total system price will be the true price to the customer after dealer fee calculations are applied. From here, I can click out of this and save, and then move over to my online proposal for the customer-facing view of my payment options. We've now navigated to the online proposal, and this is where your customer can view your payment options. As a reminder, I can set multiple system design options and multiple payment options by design within the proposal. Moving down to the quotation table, this will display all of the customer information regarding the loan, such as the loan amount, the interest rate, and the term, as well as the voluntary payment and those monthly payments with or without the voluntary payment applied. There will be additional disclaimers and disclosures here for the loan, and on the right side will be the Apply Now button. This will pull up the pre-filled credit application and loan application. Once this is filled out and submitted by the customer, they will receive an instant credit check score, either that approval to move on with the loan application or loan documents, and this is all done via the online proposal and the Apply Now button. You can also click to view as customer in the bottom left for a more customer-facing view for a screen share. And if you are looking to also share the credit application with the customer, outside of the online proposal, you can do that from either the info or manage section. And this is where you can generate that credit application as well via this button. If you have any questions about the Sunlight integration, please let us know at support@opensolar.com.
OpenSolar.